Hi, this is Andy, and I just wanted to share with you today how I paint my brick pavers for my garden. First, I choose my brick. They have all different sizes, styles, shapes, and the ones that I want to sit up off of the ground, onto the ground, but up, not buried. I like to do the sides of it also. The ones that are going to be halfway embedded in the ground, I don't do the sides. I only do the face. Now, for this one here, this is for the autism awareness, and it has the puzzle going around the different colors. And how I did this is I found a piece of clipboard off the internet, and I cut that out. Then I went and I chose this brick paver, painted the sides white because it shows the color a lot better. Really nice and rich in color. Then the face of it I did black, and then I took my template and I traced it with my white charcoal pencil. Don't know if you can see that very well. So I just traced it out, then I painted it white, and I added my dots to look like confetti. Now, for the bricks that are going to be halfway buried, those I don't paint the sides. So I just take a brick, paint the face the color that I want, and black seems to get the color to pop. So this one I did as little patriotic colors there. And this one here, Shamrock for St. Patty's Day. Now these will be placed in my walkway. This one will be placed on top of the garden area. And after I paint them, I let it sit for 24 hours to get all that paint, because you've got little, the dots, they got a little bubble on them, so they're pretty thick. So once I let it dry for 24 hours, then I put a clear coat matte finish and let that sit for 24 hours before I touch it. Basically just giving ideas as always, and these turn out really cute. You can use them for anything. I hope I've given you some ideas to do something with some brick pavers, have a little fun in that garden. You have a wonderful day. Subscribe, thumbs up if I've given you any ideas. Thank you.